Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we have seen the types of SQL, which are DDL, DML, DCL, DRL and TCL. Now today, we are going to dive into the first types, it's DDL command, that is data definition language. If you want to create, modify or delete database structures, then this is video for you. Now, before we jump into the command themselves, let's briefly talk about the what is the DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language and it's a subset of SQL used to define the structure of database. This includes creating, altering, and deleting tables and other database objects. Now, let's look at the most important DDL commands: create, alter, drop, and truncate. Let's start with the first and probably most common DDL command, that is create. Create table. The create command is used to create a new table in the database. You can specify the name of the table and the columns it should have. Now here we are creating the table with the four columns. So here you can see create table, table name stood in bracket. You have to mention their column names, that is I have first mentioned here the stood ID. Also you have to mention where the data types, that is integer int. Second column is first name. Also you have to mention where the data types and also the variable length. Third, last name, and fourth column are roll number. Bracket complete, semicolon, enter. So you can see here the table are created. Now suppose I want to see the structure of the table, so you can type the query here DASC and table name. DAC's long form is description. So you can see here the which table we have created, the structure are, but here table are not properly. So I have mentioned here the line size 80. Then again we have to run the query and you can see the structure of the table. Now next we have the alter command. This command is used to modify an existing table. For example, if you want to add a new column to the student table, so we will use to alter table command. In last create command, we have created the student table. So now in this we alter the student table. Now run the query alter table, table name stud, add. Suppose you have to add the column, so I use a word here add. Column name, I want to add the subject column, so I type here column name subject. Mention here the data types also, varchar. Table alter, so DASC, table name stood. You can see here the table are altered. Our new column are added here. You can also use the alter command to change the data types, rename the columns, or even drop the columns. Now, let's talk about the drop command. If you want to delete an entire table from your database, you use to drop command. But be careful, this permanently removes the table and all the data in it. Now here, we check the existing table before running our next command. So check here, select star from student 1. So You can see here the student 1 table are here. Also you can see the structure here of the table. Now you can run our next query. Drop table name student 1. Semicolon, enter. So here table are drop. So we will cross check really table are drop or not. So you have to run same query again. Select star from student 1. So you can see here table are not exist. Another command that is often confused with drop is truncate. While drop deletes the entire table, truncate only removes the data from the table but leaves the structure same. So here first we check the existing table here. Select star from stud, which we have created in last command hour. So you can see here the no records in this table. So firstly we have to see the structure of this table and then adding the records in the table. Now insert the records in table. The insert command in explain we will see in our next video. So here insert into student, that is table name stud values in bracket. Firstly stud id first, second first name John, comma, one thing you have to remember in every time, the alphabets are you have to mention in a single inverted comma, semicolon, enter. So you can see here the one row created, one record are inserted in our table. So run the query, select star from stud. You can see the one record are added in our table. Now we have to apply the truncate command. Truncate table name stud, enter. Table truncated. Now again run the same query, select star from stud. You can see now here the no records are here, that is records are deleted but structure remains the same. So those are the key DDL commands: create, alter, drop and truncate. These commands are all about defining and modifying the structure of your database, which is essential when setting up your tables and ensuring them meet your needs. I hope this video helped you understand DDL commands a bit better. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.